Namaste children, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is from NCERT class 2, Rimjim Reader, chapter 10, Meeti Sarangi. So Meeti means sweet and Sarangi means it's a kind of a stringed musical instrument. It's been played with a bow. You can see here, right? So it is like a violin, but the Sarangi is being played with a bow. But unlike violin, it is held vertically, just with a sound chamber below. So this is called the सारंगी. एक गांव में एक सारंगी वाला आया. The सारंगी वाला means the player, the person who plays the sarangi na, so it's called sarangi wala. So in a village, one person was playing the sarangi. He came to the village. वह सारंगी बहुत अच्छी बजाता था. बजाता means play. So that person, that sarangi wala, played the sarangi very nicely. रात में जब उसने सारंगी बजाना शुरू किया तब गांव के बहुत से लोग इकट्ठे हो गए. So इकट्ठे हो गए means gathered. So when he started to play this sarangi at night, then what happened? All the people of that village gathered at one place. सारंगी की मीठी आवाज और सारंगी वाले के बजाने की कला से गांव के लोग दंग रह गए. So dang रह गए means astonished or surprised or shocked. So seeing the sweet voice and the way he played बजाने की कला, which means the way he played that sarangi made the villagers so surprised, so astonished. सब लोग कहने लगे. So all the people, all the villagers in that village started to say, कैसी मीठी सारंगी है. So what a sweet instrument is it. आहा, कितना आनंद आ रहा है. So आनंद means happy. So the villagers started to get surprised. So how happy we feel when the sarangi wala plays this instrument. वही पास में बैठा हुआ बोला भी लोगों की ये बातें सुन रहा था. So Bola is also villager and he was also in the gathering. So he started to think that he was listening to all these words of the people. वह मन ही मन कहने लगा. So within himself, मन ही मन means within himself, he started to say, इन लोगों को सारंगी बहुत मीठी लगी, लेकिन मेरा तो मुंह मीठा हुआ ही नहीं. So these people could feel the sweetness of the sarangi, but whereas my mouth could not feel the sweet at all. ये सब झूठे हैं. झूठे means lie. So he is telling, so these people are liars. ये सब झूठे हैं means these people are liars. थोड़ी देर बाद उसने सोचा कि शायद सारंगी वाले के पास बैठने से मुंह मीठा हो जाए. So after some time, थोड़ी देर बाद, which means after some time, he thought that शायद means might. So perhaps if I could sit next to the sarangi player, then I could feel the sweetness. इसलिए वह सारंगी वाले के पास जाकर बैठ गया. So he went near the sarangi person and he sat near him. रात के 3-4 बजे जब सारंगी वाले ने गाना बजाना बंद कर लिया, तब लोगों ने सारंगी वाले से कहा. So during the night time, when the sarangi wala stopped playing the instrument by 3 or 4 o'clock, so all the people of the village, they went near him and said, Maharaj, आपकी सारंगी बहुत ही मीठी है. So Maharaj, your highness, your sarangi, your the instrument na, whatever you play, the instrument is very sweet. हमें बड़ा ही आनंद आया. So we felt so happy. 2-4 दिन यही ठहरिए. So ठहरिए means to stay back. So you please stay back for 2 to 4 days in this village itself. ये बातें सुनकर बोला मन ही मन झुंझलाया और सोचने लगा, ये लोग झूठे तो नहीं बोल सकते. So hearing to these words, बोला मन ही मन झुंझलाया. So he got irritated. This junjulaya means kind of irritation. So this he got irritated within himself and started to think, ये लोग झूठ तो नहीं बोल सकते. So these people can't tell lies. सारंगी मीठी जरूर है. So sarangi, this instrument is, of course, for sure it has some sweet. पर मुझे न जाने स्वाद क्यों नहीं आया. But how come I can't feel that taste? स्वाद means taste. तब तक रात ज्यादा हो गई थी. By then it was very late. इस कारण लोग घर नहीं गए. So due to this reason, the people didn't go back to their home. वही चौपाल में सो गए. So here chowpal means the platform. So all these people, all the villagers who came to listen to this instrument, like they slept in that platform itself. सारंगी वाले ने भी सारंगी पर होली चढ़ाई और उसे अपने सिरहाने रखकर सो गया. So this person who was playing the sarangi, he also होली चढ़ाई. So he closed his sarangi. And he kept that sarangi near his sirhana, his head, and he slept off. पर बोला को चैन कहाँ था? But बोला didn't have any peace. But बोला was feeling restless. चैन कहाँ? चैन means restless. So he was feeling restless. जब लोग नींद में खर्राटे लेने लगे, तब उसने चुपके से उठकर वह सारंगी उठा ली और ऊपर की खोल उतारकर उसे जीभ से चाटा. So here chata means lickering. So what happened? लोग नींद में खर्राटे लेने लगे. So खर्राटे means snoring. So when the people were in deep sleep and they were snoring, तब उसने चुपके से उठकर this बोला stood up silently and he took up the sarangi. उटाली means he took up the sarangi और ऊपर का खोल उतारकर and he opened up the cover. खोल उतारकर, opening the cover. So he opened up the cover and जीभ से चाटा. जीभ means tongue. So with his tongue he licked the sarangi with his tongue. कुछ स्वाद नहीं आया. But yet he couldn't feel any taste. अब उसने सारंगी को खूब हिलाया. So हिलाया means to shake. Now he shaked the sarangi nicely. उसके छेद को मुंह के पास लगाकर मुंह में उंडेला. So उंडेला means to pour something from one vessel to another vessel. So छेद means hole. So what happened? He kept his mouth near the hole. So he kept his mouth near the hole and he was trying to get the sweetness out of the sarangi. पर सारंगी से एक भी मीठी बूंद नहीं निकली. But none of the, even a drop of sweetness never came out of the sarangi, the instrument. वह लोगों की बेवकूफी पर बहुत ही झुंझलाया. So बेवकूफी means foolishness, and again झुंझलाया means getting irritated. So he was smiling, he was laughing at the people's foolishness. He got irritated with the people's foolishness, the villagers' foolishness. अब की बार उसने सारंगी को गांव से बाहर दूर ले जाकर फेंक दिया. So फेंक दिया means to throw away. So this time what he did, he took the sarangi and he took the sarangi with him. So out of the village he went to a faraway place and he threw it away. वह लोगों की बेवकूफी पर हंसता हुआ अपनी जगह पर आकर चुपचाप सो गया. So thinking about the villagers' foolishness and smiling at their foolishness, so he came back to the village and he slept off in his place silently. Chop means silently. सवेरा होने पर जब सारंगी अपनी जगह पर नहीं मिली, तो सब लोग और सारंगी वाला बड़े दुखी हुए. So morning happened and morning came. And when the sarangi player, that means the person who was playing sarangi, he couldn't find the sarangi at its place, and also all the villagers became very sad in the absence of the sarangi, the instrument. लोग कहने लगे, so the people started to say, बड़ी मीठी सारंगी थी. So it was a very sweet instrument. पता नहीं कौन ले गया. So not sure who took it away. बोला इस बात को ना सुन सका. So Bhola can't listen to these kind of conversation anymore. और गुस्से में से बोला, out of angry he said, क्या काक मीठी थी? So what sweetness was there in that? मैंने तो उसे अच्छी तरह चाटा था. So I licked that sarangi, that instrument nicely. उसमें जरा भी मिठास नहीं थी. So I couldn't feel at the taste any sweetness in that sarangi when I licked it. तुम सब लोग झूठे हो. So you are all liars. और बाबा जी की खुशामद करते हो. And you all praise बाबा जी for to make him happy. लोगों ने पूछा. So the people were asking, पर सारंगी है कहाँ? But what happened to सारंगी? What happened to the instrument? उसने कहा, he said, गांव के बाहर पड़ी है. So it is lying outside the village. लोगों ने भोला की बेवकूफी पर सिर पीट लिया. So सिर पीट लिया means hitting their head with disappointment. So what happened? The people hit their head with disappointment on Bhola's foolishness. So this is the story about a foolish person and about a sarangi player. So I had explained you line by line. Listen carefully and read well. Thank you.